Semiotics, a pivotal field in the study of signs and symbols, is foundational to understanding how meaning is constructed and interpreted in various forms of communication. Developed extensively by theorists such as Ferdinand de Saussure and Charles Sanders Peirce, semiotics explores the way in which signs represent and convey meaning within cultural, linguistic, and media contexts. It provides a framework for analyzing how meaning is created and understood, not just in language, but across a wide range of cultural phenomena. Semiotics is grounded in the work of linguist Ferdinand de Saussure and American philosopher Charles Sanders Peirce, who independently developed the field. Saussure focused on linguistic signs, while Peirce developed a more general theory of signs. While initially associated with linguistics and language studies, semiotics has broad applicability, extending to fields like anthropology, psychology, media studies, and cultural theory. At the heart of semiotics is the concept of the sign, which consists of the signifier, which is the form of the sign, and the signified, which is the concept that it represents. A sign can be anything that conveys meaning, from words and images to objects and actions. Semiotics distinguishes between the denotation, which is the literal or primary meaning of a sign, and the connotation, which is the secondary, associated meanings that a sign carries within a particular cultural context. Codes are systems of signs that are used to encode and decode meaning, such as language, fashion, or body language. Understanding a code is essential for interpreting the meanings of signs within a particular cultural or social context. Semiotics offers tools for analyzing cultural texts and practices, revealing how meanings are constructed and communicated in different societies. In media studies, semiotics is used to analyze how meanings are created and disseminated through various forms of media, including television, film, advertising, and digital platforms. Semiotics deepens our understanding of language as a system of signs, enriching approaches to linguistics and the study of communication. The field provides insights into how individuals and groups use signs and symbols to create and convey meanings, influencing areas like sociology, anthropology, and psychology. Semiotics is instrumental in interpreting art and literature, offering methods for analyzing how various artistic and literary techniques convey meaning. Semiotics raises philosophical questions about the nature of meaning, representation, and reality, and it has ethical implications in terms of how signs and symbols are used to influence or manipulate. The principles of semiotics are applied across a wide range of disciplines, making it a versatile tool for understanding the complexities of meaning-making in various contexts. While semiotics has evolved over time, it has also faced critique, particularly regarding its applicability to diverse cultural contexts and its ability to account for the dynamic nature of meaning. In postmodernism, semiotics has been influential in deconstructing texts and practices, revealing the underlying structures of meaning and power relations. The rise of digital media and communication technologies has further highlighted the importance of semiotics in understanding new forms of signification and communication in the contemporary world. In conclusion, semiotics provides a rich and nuanced framework for understanding how meaning is constructed, conveyed, and interpreted through signs and symbols. It bridges linguistic, cultural, and social dimensions, offering a comprehensive approach to analyzing a wide range of communicative practices. By examining the relationships between signifiers and signifieds, semiotics enhances our understanding of the complex practices of meaning-making that underpin human communication and cultural expression.